so we are actually about to go hit the tea leaf meet. Come with us. Oh God, man, don't look at me. The tea leaf meet. Come join me. Oh my God, honestly, the whip's looking unreal. Alright guys, so we just picked up Adam. The GTR died, obviously. And we're headed to the bubble tea. Left?
Left.
Left. He's navigating me because we can't stop. So it's a full send right now.
Right at the stop sign. Right.
Ready? Listen. Remember that sound, Rand?
Yep. Sure do. It's going green. It's going green. You're just gonna hit more lights.
Oh no, I'm gonna do the thing again.
When we get there, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
I think so.
I know so.
Snap.
What? No. It's the worst possible time.
Dude, your car is amazing.
It's the last time you're gonna see it like this, buddy.
God, the color though at night is
yeah.
nuts.
Thought it was my old D for a second.
Austin, you gotta see this. It's badass. I gotta show you something. That's the stamp right there.
That's sick. But it's not alright. Did he tell you they messed up on his order?
Yeah, he was just telling me, yeah.
Messed up on his order, man.
The last one
How?
we're ever gonna make.
Nice. Alright, so what happened? They messed up on the order? Tell me. They gave you the wrong
It's a good sign.
Hellcat.
Yes. They gave me a Hellcat jailbreak instead of a red-eye Hellcat jailbreak. Well, we got the new order coming in October.
How'd they take that news? How did they take the news?
They took it bad.
Really? Did they try to screw you?
We stood in silence for an hour. Until we forced the order out.
Good deal on that other one. What's
Yeah.
So that was pretty sick. A lot of action. We were handing out a bunch of stuff. People were loving the GTR. And it was heavy. This car's not turning. Oh my God, Randall. Holy shit, that'll wake your up, dude. I hope you guys can hear that on camera, because that is insane. Dear God. Alright, guys. Heavy turnout at the T, my friend. Heavy. As you can see in the video. The T was heavy, not gonna lie, as you can see in the video. But, remember, we're giving away the Z125 Pro, and head on over to CustomBuiltNation.com, grab yourself some merch, get yourself entered. Alright, now listen to me here. Don't be stupid. You can get free entries. All you gotta do is head to the website, fill out a few things, and you got free entries to win the Z125 Pro. If you don't want to buy anything on the site, get yourself some free entries. Simple as that. What do you got to lose? Know what I'm saying? Thanks for coming with me tonight. We'll frickin' see you later. Guys, what do you think about the lip? Tell me what you think about this lip here. This thing is sick! Oh, you can't see it. There we go. She's looking clean, guys. Shined her up. Shined her up real good for you. Woo! And that is it for tonight's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We appreciate you watching our videos. Thank you. Peace out. We'll freaking see you later, alright?